Either everybody is selling feet on OnlyFans, gambling on crypto, or drop shipping junk from China. No slight to China. But I generated a real 10K online business without doing any of that or selling my soul. Listen, I don't want to sell my soul to OnlyFans or to crypto. And I definitely don't want to deal with the crazy customer service and the refunds from drop shipping. So instead of doing all of that crazy nonsense, I found a different way. Do this instead. I'm about to show you a technique that I use that doesn't need warehouses. You don't need to gamble on trends. You don't need to do the craziest dances or chase the fame bug online to be a quote influencer. I built my business using affiliate marketing. It's how I made my first $1,000 online within like 2 weeks, and I've been bit with the bug ever since. Affiliate marketing means that I take a product that somebody else built. It's not my own. I didn't create it. And then I introduce another person who needs the product. Once they purchase the product, I earn a commission. No begging, no get rich quick schemes, none of that crazy stuff. Here's how simple it is. Before I show you how simple it is, let me know if you're selling pictures of your feet on OnlyFans down in the comments or not, or some other type of mean of making online. I'm not knocking any of these, but it's not what I recommend doing. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Statistics show that 75% of you who watch this video will not subscribe. So let's not be part of the statistic. Go ahead and subscribe. I make videos 1 to 2 times a week when it comes to making money online. I believe that just about any of my videos, you should be able to take it and make $1,000 per month minimum. All right, so the number one thing that you need to do, find a product that people actually need. Not want, but need. You're in affiliate marketing so that you can solve a problem. People come and they need solutions and they're looking all over online. They're trying to find it. And guess what? You are the person to give them that solution. Thus, your affiliate product. Dun, 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 dun. This way, you're not being salesy. You're not being sleazy. You're not being ugly or weird. You're not being a weirdo. You are simply providing something at the perfect time when the buyer needs it. Now that you've selected your cool product, you're going to go to clickbank.com or Digistore24, or you're going to reach out to the product owner of something that you like and ask them if you could sell it for in terms of commission. Once they all say yes, you're going to go to step number 2, and that is create simple content that shows the value of this product. You're not going to talk about the features of the product. Oh, look, it has a shiny light. Oh, look, it stays on your lips for 15 days. You're going to talk about the problems that it solves. You're going to talk about the advantages, the benefits. People aren't concerned about what something is. They're concerned about what it does for them. Does it change their life? Does it cut their work time in half? Does it help them make more money? Does it make them look more beautiful when they wake up tomorrow morning? These are benefits. Make videos about those, tie in what the product does for that person, the product that you're recommending and selling, and then you also provide that affiliate link for them to make the purchase once they say, you're the person I want to purchase through. And that leads me to my third step, which is direct them to a system that's working for you. Now, instead of going out there purchasing all the bells and the whistles and trying to get the latest and greatest product, I want you to figure out what is working well for you, because you are your best testimonial. If you use something that helped you lose 15 pounds and lose weight, talk about what the product has done for you and how you lost weight in the process, and the confidence that you've gained in order to walk or put on some shoes or fit inside those pants that you couldn't fit on before, and how it benefits you. For me, it's my affiliate marketing products. I've purchased tens of thousands of dollars worth of coaching, and now I provide that information to you for free. If you go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing starter kit, you can get my daily checklist. I can hook you up with that because this is what's helped me in my online business. Then if you want the next step, go ahead and purchase my affiliate marketing video course, which will help you make your first 10 grand in 90 days. These are things that I've done in my business in order to help me get my results. Do you see what I just did there? That is a real life example, but you need to do the same thing with the product that you are selling or that you are recommending. You have a car, or you like some new pair of J's, you got your nails done, your hair done, everything did. Everybody else wants to know, where'd you get that from? How'd you get this result? You look good. How'd you get this? And you just tell them. Except now, instead of just sending them to a store, you are getting paid. When I first started, I was very skeptical at this, and I actually started out in necessity. It was kind of crazy. I got laid off at my job, and I made my first $600 commission within like 48 hours. I created a review video. I knew a product was coming out, and you can watch the video actually down below. somewhere around here. I'll post it somewhere for you guys to access. And that video has been making me $600 commissions ever since. I didn't know if it was a fluke or not, so I did the same thing with another product. Had my affiliate link. I knew it was launching, and I created a YouTube video, and I made another $500 commission. This was crazy, right? I'm making money from out of thin air at this point. I made my first $600. I totally skipped making my first 100, and then I made my first 1,000 very quickly. All this within weeks of each other. So now, if I did that within 2 weeks, if you're able to repeat that type of thing, no email list, no website, no nothing. Imagine how easy it is to hit your first 10K if you take it seriously. That is what I'm teaching you guys. I have proof that what I teach works. I just helped somebody make just shy of $8,000 in 5 days just a few weeks ago. And it was all through organic stuff. It wasn't even with paid ads, and she didn't show her feet. I worked on my digital marketing, and now I can use that skill for any niche, any market, helping just about anybody. I help my students generate results just like the ones I'm telling you right now. And she's not the only one that I helped. So now if you are curious and you want to get results like that, if not better, I put everything inside of this video course. It's my first affiliate marketing video course. I've been in the game for 10 plus years, I told you, and this is my first paid course. I've never done this before. I walk you through everything from A to Z, start to finish, step by step. You don't need followers. You don't need tech skills. You can be an absolute beginner and a complete newbie. You have access to me. And also, it is an extremely steep discount. It is a $297 product. However, because you are one of the first to hear about this, the first 10 buyers will get this for $47. And you also get a free coaching call with me so that we can draw out or game plan your online business. That's only to the first 10 buyers only, okay? The link for that is down below. And I don't want your OnlyFans account. Don't forget, guys, check all the links out in the description because I also provided a 10K per month mentorship program if you're interested in that. This is for those who really want to take things seriously. They want to take the next 6 to 9 months making their first 6 figures. You really want to go at it, and then you also get me to hold your hand every step of the way for 8 weeks. I put together that free training. Is down below. Go ahead, watch the video. It's a short little video. You can watch it while washing dishes or working out. Guys, you can do this. There's no reason. AI has leveled the playing field. You don't have to get a degree anymore. I just created a video about how college is a scam. You can check that video out as well. But you can do this stuff, okay? There's no reason for you to not succeed. I'm giving you all the resources, the game plan, the tools. You have no excuse. The only excuse really is you limiting yourself at this point. But enough of rambling. That is it for this video. Don't forget to check this video out next. You think I could sell my elbows, like pictures of my elbows? My elbows ain't cute enough. Maybe that's a new niche. But anyway, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.